what if the future of construction trucks isn't louder, dirtier, or more powerful, but completely electric? Meet the new Mercedes-Benz eArocs 400, a heavy-duty electric truck designed to bring zero local CO2 emissions and dramatically quieter operation to urban construction sites. And this isn't just an Aerox with an electric motor. Mercedes-Benz has engineered the eArocs 400 specifically for demanding construction work. The truck uses two large LFP battery packs, delivering a total installed capacity of 414 kilowatt hours. Its electric drivetrain produces up to 450 kilowatts, with 380 kilowatts available continuously. That's serious output for a truck designed to haul concrete, materials, and equipment. But the most impressive number might be its range. Depending on the application, the eArocs 400 can travel up to 200 kilometers as a concrete mixer, or up to 240 kilometers as a construction tipper. Mercedes-Benz says that can be enough for a full working day under the specified operating conditions. And when it's time to recharge, the eArocs 400 supports 400 kilowatts DC charging, taking the battery from 10 to 80% in around 46 minutes under optimal conditions. But range and charging are only part of the story. The eArocs 400 keeps the rugged character expected from an Aerox, including high ground clearance and construction-focused hardware. That means it's designed to handle uneven terrain rather than simply staying on perfect city roads. Inside, the Multimedia Cockpit Interactive 2 brings digital navigation, voice control, and e-truck-specific route planning, including charging information. And there's another major advantage: silence. Compared with a conventional diesel truck, the electric drivetrain is significantly quieter, making the eArocs 400 especially suitable for urban construction zones and noise-sensitive areas. Mercedes-Benz also states that it can consume at least 50% less energy than comparable diesel vehicles. Safety is also a major focus, with systems including Active Brake Assist 6 Plus and Active Side Guard Assist 2, helping the driver detect and respond to hazards around the truck. So, the eArocs 400 isn't trying to make construction trucks futuristic just for the sake of it. It's taking one of the toughest jobs on the road and making it quieter, cleaner, and electric without giving up the toughness the job demands. The question now is simple. Could this be the future of urban construction?